Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we've seen about an 8.5% increase in Chainlink, which is definitely showing some signs of life. We haven't seen that much recently with Chainlink, so like I said, it's definitely a good thing to see. $10.4 billion market cap with a volume around the last 24 hours of $1.8 billion. The trading activity definitely being more on the buy side of things, with 71% buy, 29% sell. There's a lot of potential behind what Chainlink is offering. We know that. We know the utility. We know the use cases behind Chainlink is going to continue to make it something that stays in this crypto space for the foreseeable future. I want to jump, though, into a couple different tweets and talk about the end of the year price prediction as well as the end of the bull market price prediction. So the first thing we see is Chainlink saw unprecedented adoption in Q3 of this year, with over 250 new projects now powered by Chainlink, from top dApps to data providers, node operators, enterprises. The blockchain ecosystem is realizing the power of oracles for unlocking smart contract innovation. So you're seeing a lot of use coming out of Chainlink every single quarter. It grows rapidly, and that's what we're seeing here with 252 new projects in Q3 2021. It's just insane to see that we are pushing over that 1,000 partnerships really mark at this point, and adoption is absolutely vertical. You love to see it. That's one of the posts. 1,000 integrations soon. Another post. A lot of people just excited about what Chainlink is doing, and there's reasons to believe it's not done moving yet. We have more to jump into. You know, when it comes to the price of Chainlink, it may not be doing much, but when it comes to actually the Chainlink itself, the coin, the utility it provides, it's continuing to adopt and make better really of what it's trying to accomplish. So we see here, without secure automation, smart contracts can't reach their full potential. Chainlink Keepers provides this key service, empowering developers to build feature-rich dApps that are fully automated and decentralized end-to-end. So you can see a little bit more into this. If you want to pause the video, you can definitely read if you want to, but there's a lot that goes into Chainlink Keepers, being the problem smart contracts are not fully automated, and the solution Chainlink Keepers provides reliable smart contract automation. Definitely something that this space needs. Another very, very bullish tweet here. As Chainlink's decentralized services expand beyond validated data, Keepers, off-chain compute, and CCIP, the Chainlink economy grows in both the value secured, 80 billion plus, and the fees generated from the security. Super linear staking is being worked on to increase security and fees, something that we've been wanting to see for a while now from Sergi and the Chainlink team is staking. We are going to be able to see that here in the next couple of weeks, so just be ready for that. Hopefully more data. If not, if they don't get more information, more data, that's definitely a possibility. I'll try to give you guys a deep dive into when we, kind of expect staking to come to Chainlink, because a lot of us are waiting on that. So Coinskid actually says, stop dumping. Well, this is kind of interesting. So if you didn't know, Chainlink is dumping I believe every week. They are dumping a mass amount of coins, and that's obviously keeping the price down. So just imagine when that dumping is done, they're done dumping their coins, and we actually see this price skyrocket. It's going to be nuts. It's going to be a lot of fun to watch. The last 2 weeks, supposedly, they did not dump. But we'll have to continue to see what happens. I want to jump, though, into the next Chainlink tweet. This one talking about lending protocols across leading blockchains are increasingly powered by Chainlink. Amara Finance is integrating Chainlink price feeds on the Moonriver NW blockchain to help secure long-tail asset lending. So you can get the details on the Amara Finance post here on the Medium post. But I want to jump into one more thing, guys, before we talk about, really the future of Chainlink, the price predictions for the end of the year, the end of the bull market. There's something I want to jump into. So Floki Inu is definitely a meme coin that a lot of people have heard of. Well, it integrated Chainlink in a strategic move to break into DeFi. You can now read the full announcement here. So this is a really cool announcement. Meme coins, a lot of you guys on the channel, some of you guys, I should say, definitely, kind of dabble with meme coins. And there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, understand what you're getting into, understand the long-term liabilities there. But, one coin I want to kind of mention is Inu token. So this is an advertisement. I want to be transparent with you guys, but Inu token is an all-in-one aiming to establish a whole decentralized ecosystem that focuses on different aspects of the blockchain while benefiting from and revolving around the Inu token. From staking pools to NFT marketplaces to casinos, we want everything all in one, and is what we want to achieve while having a multi-chain omnipresence. So Inu token, definitely another meme coin, just kind of like Floki Inu in a way, just with some different utility and tokenomics. And you can see actually the stats, the staking, the NFTs, and the casino all here on their site. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description below so you guys can take a look at Inu token itself. But I want to jump back to Chainlink and talk about those price predictions for the end of the bull market and obviously the end of the year as well. If we jump back, There's more to jump into when it comes to Chainlink. You could actually click on their Twitter page and scroll through forever and find so many different partnerships, so many different bullish, really tweets coming out. Here with Chainlink Decentralized Services, developers can automate smart contracts, access verifiable randomness, reference secure price data, enabling them to build a wide range of dApps across multiple blockchains. Check out today's integration. So Chainlink Daily Wrap Up, this was yesterday. You can see 5 different partnerships or integrations taking place just yesterday, and it's really, really cool that they do this kind of wrap up so you can see kind of what coins did jump on board, and it's just a lot of excitement surrounding Chainlink. Definitely, if we do see staking coming in the next couple of days. I want to jump though back over to the price predictions, and like I said, for the end of the bull market as well as the end of the year. But before I do so, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and follow on Twitter. If you guys haven't already, that's going to be the best place to find almost really recent information in regards to Chainlink, VeChain, Cardano, Luna. We talk about Solana. We talk about so many different coins. Polkadot. There's so many coins we talk about on the channel. If you want to stay up to date with these, make sure to follow on Twitter and then subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I want to jump, though, back over it now. And finally, let's jump into those price predictions. So if we take a look at the last year alone, you can see our all-time high push was $52.99, which is a great all-time high push according to Coinbase, $52.83. But overall, we came down to about $13 and had a nice rise to about $35, and now we're back down to $22.36, even with this most bullish, looking about 5 to 6% increase today. It's continuing to be a very long-term hold for a lot of people, because if you take a look at the last year, you got in, let's say, $11, you've only 2x'd at this point. That's really, really crazy. If you look at any other coin across the market, they've already done big things. Chainlink is the next one, in my opinion, when it comes to DeFi, that is going to do very, very big things as well. So I want to say by the end of the year, we could easily be seeing Chainlink push past its all-time high. However, we are not going to see that because consolidation, because the market where it is right now, I believe Chainlink will be pushing $30 to $40 at the very, very most. By the end of the bull market, there's going to be a lot more interest in where Chainlink could be going, because Chainlink is one of those coins that I believe, like I said, when it starts, it'll continue to push very, very quickly. I'm thinking anywhere between $80 to $220 by the end of the bull market at the very, very least. That's going to be at least a 4x minimum by the end of this bull market, in my opinion. I will say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, but there's a lot of potential in what Link has to offer to the crypto space, and that's exactly why we talk about it, as well as so many other altcoins on this channel. I will say, though, for the most part, Chainlink is one of those coins that I do, like I said, see around $80 to $220 by the end of this bull market. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date with Chainlink on the channel, as well as so many other altcoins. Make sure to follow on Twitter as well, CryptoProfitYT, and then jump down into the description below. We have tons of really different exchanges. KuCoin, one of the best out there that you can take advantage of, as well as Voyager, Coinbase, all of those exchanges down below. So thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.